home repair renovation scam occurs when someone offers you services to fix or upgrade your home, but they're not genuine contractors. They might approach you in person, through a flyer, or online, offering attractive deals and low prices. Once you agree and pay them up front, they might do shoddy work, use poor quality materials, or even disappear without completing the work. But be cautious, these scammers are not legitimate professionals. They're looking to take your money without delivering the promised services. To stay safe, research and hire reputable contractors with good reviews and references. Always ask for a written contract that outlines the work, cost, and timeline. Be wary of unsolicited offers and never pay the full amount up front. Pay only after the job is completed to your satisfaction.